Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Pass and Move podcast, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Always proudly brought to you by Ibenaya Foods, our number one sponsor. And you know, I'm never alone. Today, Sambisa Fugulo Munyu Enkamen, Simlande all the way from Wanki.
Emalahleni.
Emalahleni sike saba la ukubulawayo wasibalekela. Wathi mbana baba emalahleni. Kanje tushap.
Ngishapho mdala ngiphumulile kwabulayo. Kuthiwa i-retreat.
Oh, so you tourist.
Amakyathi retreat is not surrender. So so ngaka yeah, blind.
And my co-host, Namju Chai left link. The man on form. The man on form. This we must mention. Person move say boy. Undoda lo uchisi. Person move relative form. Top you sharp. Crispin Machis on the left side, always by my side. Usha Brom. Hayi weekend ungenze ngaba yiphi mfana anti yawazi. Not forgetting isiya collections ngabanye abasixhasayo kuyagodola man angazi ukuthi wabe bengasithukela ama tracks understand kumele sike simfonele undoda la so kanye nje lo munye uchomo omunye angazi umbo wayebona episode wasithungela izikipa wasiphatha nathwa besiya collections.
All right.
Tukubona sikhuluma yezi.
Kumele yenze ama-puff.
Anti.
Ama-puff jacket. But manje khona lapha bese ngile stress mina. Ukuthi ungaphuma phandle lapha bese ngizibuza ukuthi manje ngiyenzeni ngebomba jacket le. Ziyakhala but.
Ngiyafika lapha yakhala. So guys, let's get the show on the road. At least try in Division 1. So what I usually do, wenze uchomo lo singabi le pressure la lo secela lokho edlala. Is you consider the man on form. Udlalela ibulawayo Chiefs.
All right.
Kujavas ngani. Uchomo lo ngihambe ngeSaradin sababukela badlale ngo12 sasekuseni. Awungene wayenza izimanga. Uchomo lo asokureach abantu lo. Ngene isub wachaya winner ibulawayo Chiefs yawina 1-0.
So kule ndaba vele ehlupha ngale ewange. Actually another regions is southern region ngale. Bathi ithwana ama teams akobulawayo sebechestela.
Bachestela ama game.
Kuthiwa because sebevumelene bona ukuthi thina sifuna ibulawayo Chiefs ingene. So ingabuye ibulawayo Chiefs sokuvulwa amabheya.
Wena ngabe ubukhona ngeSaturday. You could have seen ibulawayo Warriors wanted to win that game.
Yeah.
Ibulawayo Warriors be fast scene. Baze bathatha undlela lo bathi hayi.
Buya.
Second half.
Sesikhala.
Ngeka mtha. So angazi Topi njo bekungenisa second half mfana ngiyabe ngafuna ukuthi kubulawayo Chiefs begcine besithi njengoba utsho lo ku podcast. Bu controversial. Ngifuna ngaqeda ngebulawayo Chiefs.
Ebese ngikhona ingene.
Ebese
All right. Ayikazwisi.
Since is still active. Like afuna ukuthi akita igqayezela but yet good game.
Yeah.
Good game. He made us proud as a person. Babona even the crew behind the scenes are happy. Smile. Remember. So got it. Njoba ewange ngale on radio subambile sports scene ubuyile kubulawa ngizothola ekuseni asalithola ngesikhathi sokulalela phambi Khulumani FM. What are you doing ngesports nje general that side of town thina sikhachana bese sithembe wena.
All right.
So sen reveal isosi yami abantu bengakwazi ukuthi isosi yami ewange mbayi sele reveal isosi.
So this journey iqale ngi-external voice eKhulumani FM. So it was for sports. Abebenginika kuyi5 minutes nje. Befuna ubona ukuthi awufa. So and then into egcina yenzakala nje khona kanti yabona mina umuntu otshone esidingela information. Nje ngiyathanda ukuthi nihlale nile information even engasozisebenze but just in case. Yabona. So and then ngale kwavula esinye station la so it's a community radio station. and then ngafika lapha na watshela no James mina ngiyakwanisa into le, you know, bathi alright ichuna sibone. Yabo, so since kade sengivele ngiqalile ngapha le Khulumani FM ngahle ngaqhubeka ngale.
It was easy.
Yabona. And then the next thing sa chance ama camera with this guy, and then sathola nama accreditation kana ukuthi uyakwanisa ukungena ema stadium and stuff. So enye team engisipana layo actually sijayele ukutravela le Hwange FC.
All right.
Sihamba si report okwabo, but akukho enough ukuthi sikhulume ngeHwange yodwa. So sigcina sesithi
across board
everything. Yabona, everything. And given indawo zethu ngale mdala is very remote mdala. Yonke into nje ukuthi ene one ndawo. So abantu bakwazi okwenzakala khona. So kuyasodingala umuntu oza, yabona, so yikho lami ngikwanisa ukuthi ngicine lani ngingathola something lithi aje nanze ezinye indawo.
All right. So sengithe ngufaka on the spot ngicela ukuthi run through Southern region ama results.
All right. Besiku lo week 12, match day 12. Sibone iBotswana Inter Talent Vision 1-0. Mabobo. Yes, and then Inka United iZebra Revolution 4-0. Is Zebra Revolution le nasty siyachinjana. Kakazi yakhulumelana ukuthi this week wena ngonika abantu isihlathi, next week.
Ukhuluma unanzelela uhlezi kanjani wathi Hwange anivele Hwange this week seningathola eziningi ngakhuluma wewe.
Babebuyile thina siletrickeli yone Hwange mntana. Siyadlalisa ngo12 and then igrand esakudlalisa kulo futhi kule road kuthiwa iBlack Road. Confirm ukuthi wayibona mntana imigwaqo lo. Ufika ground ufika very kumele ukwehlele ole floor. So yeah, and then Bulawayo Warriors ichaiwe 1-0 iBulawayo Chiefs. And then iHwange FC, yes, iHwange FC. And then iHwange FC iwinile ichai Jordan Sinot 3-0. And then iko live idrawile le Bulawayo City 0-0. And then Imbizo ichai ama team ayi2 iko.
Ichai tibe wayo.
Alright. Alright. Ichai Ajax Hotspurs. Iwachai 1-0. And then iBlack Rock zidrawile 0-0 le Nasty.
Mthulisi le nto le Nasty nje.
Yazi.
I was so disappointed the result.
And then mainline ichai Megawatt 1-0. So indaba kade ngitsho ukuthi amathima kwabula ayachestelana guys. Kayela bo mainline wona labo ukuthi baqine njani sebechayela oMegawatt labade sibathembile ukuthi enxiba zavuka bechayisa ZPC Hwange sa last season. And by the way iMegawatt iZPC Hwange itshintshile ikhithi yabela amaloko ayi2 and ansoze ngikhuluma indaba zakhona. Yeah. Balelabo and then because if actually ngahamba ngaya so sama sakhava igame yeHwange FC le Megawatt. Yes. iHwange yawina igame leyana. So yikho engangiqala khona actually ukubona ukuthi no kulokunye, but at least ideal labo you know kare materialize cause ibhasi siyabuya.
It's unlike amanye ama team.
Sebayithengele ibhasi. So ibhasi yankona ukubuya ibuyese abantu sebelokho bekhala, but I think abantu bekhala because bekungela update ukuthi hayi ibhasi kayisendleleni ukuthatha isikhathi ukuthenga lokhu, uyabona. So abantu bebezitshela ukuthi no because iboys zankhona abaningi ngabantu esihlala la eKasi, yabona. So every day abuchayisana labo bekutshela ukuthi Jeki kwathi bazasinika 40,000 but
40
but ayikabuyi, you know. I have omunye sezedlala ku PSL khathesi. I speak to him every day. Angisoze ngikhulume abanye bazahlanganisa ama-dots ukuthi ngoba nasuka but it's more than one abasuke eZPC wange besiya ku-PSL.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's take a look at guys the log table. Bulawayo Chiefs is still on top
Yes.
with 26 points, followed by Inkai. Inkai look at the Chiefs is doing well.
Yeah.
Kanti yabona uyakhalta ama-team Inkai ngiyakubulawa libizo lokuthi Inkai. Yiko yadla ibulawa Chiefs. But is doing well, is sitting second on 25 points, followed by Eyangini obuyelayo. Kumbe selibuyile kumbe liyabuya, whatever the case might be, but it is not Tolindung Saturday. Iwange is third on 23 points. Then Black Rock is on tight le Wange on 23 points, on position 4. Then the bottom teams with Inast on 5 points, followed by Ajax Spurs on 8 points. Then Jordan FC, the Victoria Falls, they complete the bottom 4 sides. Then I would like us to move to at least to be the matches. At least la usungakhululeka singene ku Central Region. Just run through of Central Region ngapha lapho uNgozo esimpreza khona where he was doing an amazing job ku Kwanda Pirates. Uthiwa GP. Why badlala ama-meet every time? It's Wednesdays, Saturday, Wednesday. But I saw it happen what even kubonile Northern.
Northern kubhizi ngale balama-cup phela Northern, so babefuna ukwafitha
ama-cup maningi.
Northern olemali.
Ngemali, yeah. So let's
serious very well kadishi manje. Sokuchini la ngapha ukuthi uyathola unama-cover 10.
Yeah.
Ngapha I think ama-sponsors malushwana. So let's take a look at some of, not all, but some of the results the Central Region. Then Skyler log table yabo. Then we move to Northern. Can you kindly check some of the results in the Central Region?
Yeah, draw 0-0 away Ukraine Tigers. Then Isheshama ayizidlela ama-team.
Ayisisheshama
Draw kuyona igame yapostponwa eChapungu ya. Nichapungu bafela coach.
Oh, it's so rest in peace. On that note, guys,
Ziyakhala.
Kumbe asiqale siqede sesiza lokhu.
Swi.
Then Isheshama yawina 2-0 Western Cone. Then i-table yabo lapha Isheshama lokhu iphezulu.
Sheshama yazijabela idlala. Uwinile futhi nge-weekend. But vele okunye jekela kulabo matobo
abantu nge-6 points kashaba.
Sheshama kulabo matobo labo.
But manje draw kulokhu njani? Lokhu ngadlala ama-game nendawo la sesijibulikelana lapha. I think ilokhu zenini yangikhonisa
But ile game nende
yi-1. But there is a concept engizwileyo angazi, but no offense of the beautiful game. Bathi bona i-hard rock ngani bayibazile. Into nje ukhuluma ngayo bathi isidlaliswe ama-away wonke anzima. Angazi what to take on that. But twice idlale wonke ama-away sihambe kuBugwanda Pirates, yamba kuDubazimu,
yamba futhi kushesha.
Yamba kushesha ama-away.
So ama-game ona la sesele home.
Yabona manje
yabona masapoti indlela abakhayela ngayo. So ngoba i-draw kanti affiliated lo mdala lo wama-April
plus ile stadium phela
wale stadium
yamakhaya
siyabuya
bathi ufuna ukurevenge i-5-0 lezi
but manje ishashamu dala yamukela izikhalazo ishashamu
yabona bonile futhi isile bhasi phela sithenga ibhasi entsha so uyahlubona ukuthi abantu laba serious
in terms of investment mdala ishashamu dala besikuxoxa izolo actually eBF lapha ishashamu yakwazi ukuthi bale equipment yokutrack ama players abo nxa bedlala ama drone
konke baba uthenga last year
ishashamu sizezibulawa Chiefs
Asha imali ivuma.
This is how they reach into lezi bazibona ukuthi
Hawu qinisile.
Chiefs that so I think that's central region for you guys where we see Ishesham on 42 points followed by Iyad Rock on 36 points with a game in hand. Also third position is Ekwanda Pirates also 31 points on third position. On fourth position Gule Duriba team on 30 points. All these three teams have got a game in hand over Ishesham. Then bottom we've got the MSU sitting on 7 points. The Toy Gem West, the Bishop Stone, Zealandelana, the Dinson, the bottom 4 ye central region. Let's go to northern region. Northern region. Hey, what is your color? What is your color?
Waqwayiza kuphela.
Ngara kudala ngari northern region.
Uvela uqwayiza usele kuphelile ngawo.
Dala northern region akudlala. But in Chazo in I don't understand, but maybe ule understanding ye team kaScott le.
Alright.
Mombe ahora.
Iteam le kulomuntu omele inikwe ngalokhuza.
Ngena premier because akuvuma ukuthi ube le 2.
So mina ngizalinika insight.
Yeah.
Anti libonile ukuthi iScotland isiyakhe i-complex le.
Sibe yakhe lumbe bayakho.
Isayakho but ama indawo zokulala ama players sezi right. Sokusele ipool okunye laba restaurant. Liyakwazi ukuthi umbano yakha yilokho zeni i-complex lana. Alright. Li support le boss elikhulu literally. So li support le boss elikhulu literally. So I think iko kwahamba khona i1 meter leyana yakhitshwa vele the time iScotland launchwa. So ingombe yahora kumele nxa ipromotwa
beni kundoda
ayithengise yanikwa uthi no nansi team yakho
i-token of appreciation
siyabonga nansi. I'm sure it's a thing ukuthi maybe yena akalasi isikhathi sokuthi ehlale phansi azama uassembler from ground.
Yeah. It makes sense.
It makes sense.
It makes sense. It makes sense.
So mele imbize futhi next week.
Manje imali yomjeje athi lezi ulethe iwangi uthi ozobuthile ubona ukuthi kwenzakala
uthi uzobona uhamba njani.
So mboni mombe uri draw le check to Pirates iagama idle iChino iRangers iCranbourne idle iBanket but ungachecka nje ilok tape yabo izasinika nje okuyi direction. iMombe Ora is still on top ile 37 points followed by iBlack Rhinos on 32 points. iagama also on 32 points, third position. Then iGolden Eagles is on fourth on 27 points. Then iMoz under 19 years iyo esindwa izo zonke ilandela iChino Stars. iMoz on 12 points, Chino ile 15. Then iShamba is on 16. Le Ngeza under 19 on 16 points. Central in SSL Eastern ekamachisa ule wangu mazuza ule amaruza sakho Eastern le yangihlupho Eastern angazi ukuhamba njani. Eastern ihlali isalele emuva kwesisikhathi aba-update ukhatshana ukuthi sefinyelele Eastern region but to our viewers singakwanisa ukubanikeza esilakho nge-Eastern region lapha nomangu mazoze engani serious babengani ba serious but these days
antu owango waphula out wagcina ephumile
akaphuma
Wonile
wa-threaten ukuphuma
wa-threaten abantu
but akaphumanga
because uwinile konabo
member thanda ukukhulunywa ngaye lwana
but these days kuzima imenjani lo kuthebe yabo
lokutable yabani la
nasifanga uyidinga
kwasto ngasikhayeleli Eastern region as we move. Eastern region is senzima, it's always slow but guys sizayibona kwasto kwanele ngayikhayela si-check Eastern but on a sad note my gents, news that we had yesterday is a BF after on a Saturday besikhunjuzwa Norman
Norman
Maroto.
Maroto. Eish.
Then the following Sunday, another bereavement,
Eish.
accident.
Good.
Akuplay.
Abo umuntu le-talent lonke.
Madoda after kumbukela eBF yakhumbula menzisto ereach abafana beyayilinda blind that one world draw eplatinum
Ubande. Awusizwe ubuhlungu nje.
may his soul rest in peace.
Yeah, eish. Awusizwe ubuhlungu. Isibe awuthe sharp njani?
Eish,
No
I
pressure.
I think you know him better
Yeah,
than that. How was he as
no,
a
no pressure. Awuthe sharp kakhulu. Discipline konke vele. Awunyeke kumfica endaweni ezinzima nzima. But vele ni life yakhe vele ibingasoliyani ukuthi umele uyibone Facebook wathi ube chill. Ube chill yeah.
bengimbona nje eground and you know what ngeke ngaba lo sike sakhuluma ngiyaba lo coach Fokoza. We touched and talked about him in brief ekhuluma the same sentiment. It's hayi boys is sharp.
Ibhora welazi nje. Ungadlali ngokuthi besimbiza mshishi. Imagine umshishi. Uthi indazula imagine. Nje ubuhlungu.
Asilahlekile. Even izifa
yakhe yiyo lami ngikhala ngayo.
29.
yeah and ube ku prime vele.
Bese ku prime lani ukuthi la ku national team vele umuntu athemele benjani. Ade sala sicomplaina ngayo. Ngihamba into andawe complaina ngayo uthi khalobanda kathi wayi.
But ngibonile izifa ibimpostile athi
because Nigeria lapha na wayehambile.
You are still active.
Michael Nisa I think ube ngomunye wama-player othi emkhangile ukuthi maybe
manje
even i-PSL ayihle yakhipha i-statement.
Wonke umuntu nje wonke umuntu. I think ama-clubs wonke vele akhiphile wonke vele most of ama-teams.
Hey, to the football fraternity silahlekele uPP uPrime Banda
umfana wentumbane. Kunzima
majenza.
Kunzima.
But anyway, it's part of life.
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu uyasinika aphinde
Asithathele.
asithathele kubuhlungu but we move on.
Yeah.
So guys, moving on. Michael Nise has been doing ama-rounds uqalise nge-Cape United if I'm not mistaken. Uhambe wabukela i-training session what not wakhuluma lama-player. I don't know what's the motive behind but to me I think that's a good thing. Nxa ezakwenza to all the teams engazaba that energy. Wahamba wakuyada wasuka kuyada in fact engakuyada wahambe ku-Dynamos. Dynamos wabona training sessions and stuff then wakuyada then izolo ubonakele
for the first time.
How do you see that move nxa eza continue ekuyenza to all the teams? Is it good for the benefit of the beautiful game eZimba or what's your take on it?
For mina ukuhamba kwakho Michael Nise, so actually ngizaqala endaweni yokuthi vele abantu sebevele sebecomplaina ukuthi why is he watching only ama game awe Harare.
We've been complaining
yabona
khona.
So I think singakukhangela ngendlela yokuthi guys sometimes igame naleya behambe wayebukele Harare kungaba iDynamos versus Highlanders sebaboni labantu beHighlanders bekhona ngalo. Yabona kungaba iDynamos versus Bulawayo Chiefs or versus Chicken Inn khona ngale Harare sebabonile but it's fine ukuthi siyasifuna ukuthi ebuye ngapha, you know, maybe okunye andiyakwazi ukuthi ukuba home or away yinto effect serious egamini yeplayer. Yabona so engxenye iplayer le upiki kade ngazoze perform sorry upiki izolo besikala engxenye ngazoze perform kuhle eRufaro but ebeza khanya ifu potential yakhe nxa eseBF sesupportwa iteam yesempankweni, you know, so kusharp fine ukuthi be, you know, eboard ebona indawo zonke, you know, ebona ukuthi afa. I'm sure ukuthi also lama suggestions ahambe siyawanika, you know, even amakey wakhe izifa, you know, on the local game as far as local, because ku Caps uhambe ku training session ku-Dynamos futhi uhambe ku-training session. So I'm sure ukuthi wafika wasuggest ukuthi gents lapha yenzani so mina ama-type of ama-players engifuna trainwe so you never know because okunye sibona khona ukuthi these national team coaches bale-impact as far as club football is concerned. Ungabona yakhumbula that time uChitembu ezethi uMakionisi the clown. It was because uyenze something affect a club but the national team is bigger. I've seen even in SA Bruce talks a lot nxa ekhetha ama-players ukhuluma kakhulu about the Premier League ama-clubs ukuthi kuphathanwa njani i-training injani like that. So I think it's a good thing ukuthi ebhode lapha ebone konke but also akukho bad nxa engasakwanisa ngokuya mostly kungaba maybe because of ama-resources.
I think it's okay vele ukuthi kumele ebuye because sometimes eHarare obviously yabona ibhora lethu liyachiyana leli kwesinye isikhathi ama-players eHarare they won't be comfortable, they will play under pressure, they will be needing points yabona bakho relaxed but kwesinye isikhathi any player le island ungabuye ubukele e-BF uyabona i-potential but yilo uyadlala uhambe ubukela i-chicken ineluvivi uyabona ukuthi but ama-players la njani good uyabona uhambe even ubobhikita le uhambe even i-team le triangle uyabona but triangle uhambe uyibukela eluvivi kumbe ubuyibukela e-BF dlala ile nto athi but abafana basebanjani asobebhora but ungababukela labo their home uyarealize ukuthi but these are good players uyabona. So I think yena ngakwenza abantu labo bemjayele ukuthi okay even uma-training session khona okakwenzayo just nje ukuthi ebukele ebona into ezi-right lezi-wrong uyabona.
But what we can say is singakuyenzi one side
kakade even uyabona kuyafana la kubo Wange uyabona iWange ande kulama-teams aku-division 1 akule ku-Premier League but engagada ephonge kufika nje one day ebuke division 1 eWange at least ungaspota 3 or 4
vele that's his job
uyabona
that's what he's supposed to be doing
because nje imalini kathi uyeWange ngenteke
I don't think it's mandatory because why fly by UK bahlala UK bebukela ama-juniors la
uyabona
njala UK yona le is different mdala because Iliana guys alright ngenye futhi into so UK ibhora lethu kathe sanje so much in the influence yama agents guys.
True, that's true.
So
that's true.
Sengangena singene uyabona ukuthi vele le trip UK vele ayiphuma imali yakhona ayiphumanga ezikhwameni zesifa yaziphumela ukhona
yabona into esikhuphela ngayo into esikhala ngayo
because that's this thing futhi kathi ku national team ukuthi it's not about talent anymore. Ukuthi wena uhambe wabukela igame wabona that boy is good akusela mina sengikutshela kathesi ukuthi apha kulo mfana onje mthathe ebuye ezodlala whether uzayenza njani uyabona
siya kumfana kaPokelo but anyways story for another day. I think we have touched
this is Eastern region as of mhla 21 June. So but that's a week ago. So it's as good as
Tenex is still on top. We mentioned that this one. Tenex is still on top, followed by Hunters. That's Eastern region. Then Chief is still bottom. Kuloko 6 points. Le Manica, le Renko United. Ngala ama-team vele la malucho na 15 ku Eastern region. So that's it Eastern region. Then there was another issue that was doing the rounds ku Premier Soccer League. Andibonile Dynamos has been summoned nge issue yabo la uthini kanye thi wena kana le intel maybe no wasikifana
mina lithele information guys
nge Dynamos.
So ngani into le sifuna ukuba yinom chicken in against Nerufaro lapha
Scotland.
So
we touched on that issue.
So like I said, so and so far and then Dynamos walked away. So mina guys, it's fine. Football is an emotional sport.
Very emotional.
But I think our clubs should invest even in our psychologists and stuff. Also, you're a big club, guys. You're Dynamos FC, 7 meter. Angazi 7 million ezamaqinini. And then one, you're fighting relegation. Ngesikhathi lesa ukwazi ukuthi bazangezelela yini ama teams as usual or or bazalichiya lihambe, and for iDynamos ngane at this time bazachiya, and every point kumele be valuable. 1 2 likhala ngemali, lithalela mali zokunika ama players ama allowances. The game before yena le abawokha khona away anti babe home abakhempanga enxathi babeswela imali yokuyakhempa. So now you don't have imali zokuthi lina iclub run smooth, liyenza izinto eziliyenza belifine imali ezimore. Yabona one
yethi futhi iDynamos yona ngokwayani basamona ucoach wawo, because it seems like ucoaching uyonjani wathi ama players let's go.
no vele isitayela sokujikela inyoka yiso mdala ukujikela inyoka yikho.
But yabona that issue esikhulume ngayo last week ukuthi kumele kube le huge fine for such behavior. Ukuthi isizini nxa iqalisa all the teams they know nje ukuthi hey
imali mdala nje mina I don't think ukuthi maybe semali
ama points
andisakhuluma
ama points
at least 10 points kumbe 15.
So this thing almost happened with the game. It was Kwekwele Ngezi Platinum.
Yeah,
it almost happened.
Exactly.
This thing also almost happened in Singapore. So luckily Dubai is a cool guy. Cool come and collect it. But there's an official bench in Akate Sebizo ukuthi yabona waqhubeka official elali ku match ngapha la sagcina linanzelela ukuthi no man umuntu lo then wahlwa sender off yabona ukuthi game iqhubeke. So but ngani yinto abantu asefuna ukuphomba nje.
So ngani it's okay.
So if I can run through a press release Premier Soccer League bathe bona bayikhiphe on the 25th of June 2025. Dynamos FC summoned to Premier Soccer League disciplinary committee. The Premier Soccer League has summoned Dynamos Football Club to appear before the disciplinary committee following the appointment of their Castlelaga Premier Soccer League match against FC Platinum played at Mandava Stadium on Sunday, 22 June 2025. Dynamos FC is being charged with causing the appointment of a match and gentlemanly conduct by the team's technical officials. Dynamos FC head coach Saul Chamnoka has also been summoned to appear before the PSL disciplinary committee. His charges include disturbing the normal proceedings of a match, causing abandonment, ungentlemanly conduct, and issuing reckless statements to the media likely to bring the game sponsors, the league, ZIFA, CAF, or FIFA. Ngobona siyobhalela ukuthi ufake ZIFA, CAF, FIFA into disrepute. My charges are too. I think it's the seconds ama-sentiments oqeda ukuwasho wona la ukuthi guys, let's take it already to serious. Ngoba if all the teams can do that, imagine what happens to a league.
The league yaphela nini?
You understand? Ama Samon
Scotland le chicken in
ayika resolve. Dynamos is adding
uyabona, and it's not fair for a team like njengabo Simba Boran they are continue playing, and then imagine una last day let's say beyinika 3 points linalichana nge 1 point.
You understand?
Uyabona vele akusekho fair. Uyabona,
it's not fair to let's hope these all these issues will be resolved.
Yeah, so I think with Karese Asila we don't have a leadership to point at PSL because kade akayenzwa ama elections. So maybe kungavotwa abantu bama office lomunye bele office yakhe. So I think maybe the disciplinary office bazayenza maybe constitution bengane bayi dilute but funa bebe stand.
But vele yikho bona konti it's wrong mdali kade sesijibulekelana lokho ungakabili order yona leyani ukuthi
imagine
it's wrong vele. Ibhorame iqalise PSS sikwazi ukuthi kume so because ukenzela ama cases anje.
Parani kwa district ngama elections ayizifa yini ama chairman aphuma abo Farage labo Kennedy
bese fungela
ngapha
sebephumile kuyathathwa due process yokuthi njani
kulokhu futhi
kulungiswe ngaye. So I think
still on Premier Soccer League issues. ngapha koBulawayo ziyakhala madoda. Labo coach abaxotshiweyo.
Hey ndoda bekuyimanti yabo coach.
Ujuni bekunzima. So iYilanders coach uKhayindu. John.
Mina pari ngazonda guys angeke ngixoxe kusanda ngena imeter guys imeter. Imeter ngiding. Jamemba chapa. Guys bengikhona but isilamba guys.
Then reshuffle nenza kale ku in the technical director ucoach
Greenfield abathethi lo technical director babizudla
kama back to
babuleli wange lapha because udla kama lebambili wange ungasenani ukudla ikho oqathele isinkwa sabantwana
then abanye bebefuna undira echai phansi
njohet ngale jonga emanika la futhi bamisile la coach
Manika la
suspend epumule
because of the poor results.
Poor results
ama results nxa ipoor uyachapha.
Very specifically bathe hambe ephumula sibona abanye bazasala
yes.
Bafuka ubona iproblem ukuthi kathi wena nguyiproblem kumbe
because ngale mali ziyaphuma
plus bale quality squad
ukuda lokho ekhona ngale imagine lokho enikwa ama 5000
ndoda ngale bale quality squad
team ya Bishop
kakhulu
ama results yabe then CEO acting CEO team enkulu koBulawayo
sobaleka
ebalekele
bathi ucoach uKhayindu
sobaleka
Mr Ndlovu
hayi asawo
but manje izayithile manje ethesa step down wa CEO but amphumi ku row yami ngapha is one of ama executive ngale balekele imida ngiyaphuma ngapha bari lokho engikhona okushaya
balekele amabhuku uthi amabhuku amvuli
amalokhu then ama reasons for his resignation I think they are valid because sesikhulume ngento lezi kakhulu there's a lot that's happening behind the scene abantu abangazikhuluma.
I remember sikhuluma ngalwana wagcina senza la amadila
wenza amadila is the same
yabona lo manje so abaleke ngakaphuma amadila uthi batho into lokuvele ungani kunzima lo
lana yapheka
because there's encwadini yabantu ibhalele umhlophe uKenneth bathu ubhala into eziningi uThomlo 10 men bathu ubhala into eziningi blind. I think ama support eHighlander baza on the comment section guys if you are watching and you know something esingayazi sicela usitshele ku comment section lapha because
vele uhamba nje
ngoba abantu bakhala bathi ziyakhala
but vele nje awunjele wena ukuyena ukuthi iHighlander zosiyo isitshintshe umbaba ngaki.
I think it's after kufa after the passing of
anisa sasilo wahamba ku Scotland be anje yabona kwase kubuya lo lokuzeni 4-5 uyabona
within a space of a year
bara ohamba uRonald at least uku resign kwakhe akubangale wabongo kwakuthule nje wapho kodwa I've resigned ba release statement then umember wahlala wahamba komunye umsebenzi and then imbayimbayi wasebuya sehambe eScotland yabona akuzange kwaba but sebesikwa
but uyakwazi but why
so there's a lot
so nje wona khathesi usokhuluka ukuthi but Ronald why wachiya kuyayisokutshengisela manje ukuthi
yena now ama traces sekhanya ukuthi because after the passing of uSihlangu because I think uSihlangu ubesengani useyibambile
exactly
umbubele
plus uThomlo nami I think uThomlo bengwebhora
uSihlangu
yena mthetho
ngwebhora ndiyona la
professional
exactly
because ngicheck i-track records zakhe and I was like mdala ukuba under iwing kamdalalwana ngabantu ukuthi wawusithi ungaba le challenge nje ku business ungafika ukuthi mdala lapha kayilahla yakuvulela so ubone so babengabantu bebusiness
so umuntu webhora
ngabe uqhubekile nje maybe ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi hayi iHighlander zika Chelsea
unfortunately life
Unfortunately,
ipheli
life-
may his soul rest in
Yeah.
peace. Kwabuya lo la
Ala
wazithathela
wasithathela
inyoka yakhe
inyoka
5,000
wakwatsha.
weza amadila ke wachaya phansi.
Lo,
uKindman sebuyile la.
Lo la 2 months.
2 months uKindman.
bathi wabaleka lamabhuku
mina ngamangala ichop mdala athutsha ngawe mbalwa phela awuzayi kwaba lamahungahunga wabuya kumela
So there's a lot that's happening.
Yeah, there's a lot,
There's a lot
yeah.
that's happening.
so kubona khona ama-results aphuma
It affects
It
also.
affects also,
Yes, it
because
affects
ukarisa
ground. Kasa
phezulu.
phezulu. It affects also
gents but iteam yethu gents
ground.
yikho manje uqalise uhlubone konke phezulu awuma
Phezulu lokho right. It affects
izinto mazi-right
Eh.
phezulu besenza into ezi-right laphansi uyadinga
Kuyayehlela.
ama-players kanjani
Kuyayehlela, kuyayehlela
yabo
phansi.
so khathi siyifejafeje ukuthi ala uyabuye uthi umzukulu wami kadlala uyabona
So kuphuma.
eh
Akuphumi.
but i-proper structure vele yenzi into zihambe
So guys, let's look at the Kasilaga Premier Soccer League as a whole. This weekend, the fixtures. Saswa Kurumile Sabonisana za predictor. The matches have been played. Saturday, match week 18 is come and gone. The first match we saw Itel one took on Rentals. It was a 0-0 draw. Sasithe vile yaba draw. There was a possibility if Itel one ingawina. Then Enyamuka Stadium on Saturday also Dynamos took on is it PC Karipa 0-0 draw again. No goals in that match, and the Dynamos is enzimela matuta. Emandaba FC Platinum 1 Singapore and Lebi game of the week.
it was a nice game
Toby besithi sakhanyela umfana lo esitaka Uthando
osehambelo uMazulu
he played his last game.
wahle
And is the issue sasikhuluma ngayo ngeCOSAF.
exactly
Yabona ukuthi iyenzani
i-effect yeCOSAF
I-effect yeCOSAF.
ngithatha abantu abazijhiseleyo yani ehambe edlala iCOSAF and bakuthatha egoli
bakubona teams
bakubona and ama-players ezimaphi kade sebamalutshwane egoli
Africa.
nxa yelokuzeni
iCOSAF bebengasapika abantu
aba-on form yabona
so Uthando usehambile
kuMazulu
played his last game for FC Platinum. Vele ubechisile
akade
uhlohlile futhi.
usuthisile
So Platinum the Simba they played to a 1-0 draw. Then Ehart Stadium, this was a shocker to me. Ehart ayadla imanika nduta 1-0.
ayimanika ama-problems maningi
even ucoach ehambile ayawandi ukuthi uhamba njani
ama-problems maningi
Then eKipo iBikita idle chicken in maduda chicken in. Alithi ublind
echikenini kuyalani
zathi abakhutha futhi kakhulu
chicken in. Chicken in I think mina i-problem technical to be honest.
khathi baye bengatshintshi ama-team atshintshi ama-technical
ichange ebuhlungu mdala wazi ukuthi ungatshintsha karese sokunje so
Amafero sehlale kakhulu.
yakwazi ukuthi mina lapha ifear yabembazwisela khona mdala I think vele is almost in everywhere like everywhere emabhoreni karese lapha sesikhona mdala usucabanga ukuthi ngingatshintsha kubuye omunye ofuna ukuqala ingane yasekla but uyasekla sikhathi bani
But ama-game asisemaningi so tshengisile ukuthi banjani laba bayifilekile.
but kade siyabona i-problem ye-second round ayisela ukuthi ngizayikhole
Hayi.
sokuyikufunakala ama-result whether mawusiyawe uthole 1 point yona leyo kuncede manje mawacontinue loser so one
They're fighting relegation.
wesichikenini bale mali
everything ayikhona ukuthi imali
abathathe noma bona laba babengabebhosa amakhiwa lawana bebuye babaningi imali
Have you seen ukuthi ema-game echickenini Amafero kasami sokusima ugadi.
most of the time
ugadi
indaba le vele yaqala ukukhulunywa kudala
ugadi is pulling the strings. Umafero yabe so mna ugadi is not experienced. He's not that experienced.
I think
But kula ma-coach akhona akudinga isibhani. Umafero if is failing abamenze already think that
because akuvumi ukuthi chicken iphume
akuyenzi
yabhayiza ukuseparata umafero lo Matori.
Exactly. I think that's where they made a mistake kwamba.
Kongayenzi.
I-partnership yabe
Solid. Khela uMatori ukuthi is doing well njani. Ushesha amakhwekwe wayengenisa kuhle.
Ayikhulumi lana mdala.
So i-chicken in ku-blind.
Na ku-blind.
Because as you are saying Tobi, second leg ziyakhala phela
kudala. Inzima ama-team afuna ama-points.
Ngabachintshile maybe sisama first leg. But
khona phana yesikhathi bekulamakho ngakho ukuthi bafuna utshintsha.
Hayi bashintsha.
They could have made umsebenzi wabo.
Oba easy.
Because that is chicken ingaphuma. Yayilenda kunje. So phela yayilenda is going down.
Islanders is 6 points off relegation.
You understand? 6 off relegation. 6 points off relegation. Anduzabona lokho.
Manje triangle dala, o triangle, wabuya triangle ngale bathatha 5.
Benkhanyelilo. Yakushehela. Then last game on Saturday. Last game on Saturday eBaobab. Ingezi Platinum Stars ichaya ikhwekwe 5. Ikhwekwe la.
Alesihambi.
Hayi kweka kusela thina.
Hayi sihambe.
Hayi kweka kusela thina.
Ngendlela into ezime ngakhona to Dynamos bekhona abantu hayilenda belawo chicken.
Njalo ku relegation kunzima akudlala. Then Sunday's fixtures we saw Cape United Rufaro drawing 0-0 le Greenfield.
Yeah, look at Capes kathesi.
Capes ante bona
they are collecting points.
Cape zitshintshile uEn Bakala lokho obuya. Iship is now state.
Endabeni yokutshintsha indaba yama-fears amade ngwatsho. I-Dynamos yatshintsha ucoach. Yabona ukuthi so lapha basaba ukuthatha i-risk ukuthi kungahamba either.
Yabona ucoach weDynamos ungcono manje ezithiza ucollect ama-points adlule laba adebela.
Bekhona but
ama-problems amaningi
administratively and everything.
Yabona kweDynamos khathesi vele ama-problems. So what is the window selivuliwe?
I-Dynamos beku-white phela before uChamino. Khathesi ku-red. Number 2 from
Hayi but vele bedlalela ku relegation.
Vele
but I think i-team lena siyayiforce guys okwebhora.
Sefuna ubuya ku-posteke.
Abafana batshiyeni bezinto so guys. Batshiyeni bezamangoma.
Ukaya posta ku Facebook.
Yabuya phela inbox lo ankelo phakathi ngale ku coaching system. Lo ankelo phakathi wathi kade mshana so sithi.
Ukane jopo wathi ayidala ukuthi uyibhoreza ifuthi. Abantu bafana kugeza kwamango.
Abafana nxa bafuna ukuthi yemi no.
But abalungisi.
That was a big team.
So mdala ngambuza this thing. And I saw Angola, yabona league Angola mdala. Ama-champions Angola awina $35,000. Imali yakhona awina imali Angola, but it's equivalent to $35,000. Ama-champions eZimbabwe mdala awina $100,000. And so lapha ngikhulumela endabeni yeDynamos. iDynamos yawina iChibuku Super Cup. That's 70,000. Yawina iCaso Challenge Cup. That's 35,000. $105,000. Bethi thina we are pulling out of iCAF because asila mali.
How?
But ama-Angolan champions mdala i-team lana lama 35,000. I think past 4 or 5 seasons. Yalichova ku-CAF.
And they're doing well.
Yabhola i-team lana.
Yiko phela sikhuluma ngakho ukuthi
ama-problems
phezulu kulomunye umuntu wenza something wrong.
Ama-problems aphezulu. Yiko kuyenza phela u-affect even.
Ona imagine iDynamos wena ezithizi iyaphula njani wena. Ezithizi wonke umuntu ama-sponsor wonke afuna uku-associate leDynamos.
It's a big brand.
Anti kule bank lana ifuna kulo cause efuna usponsor yathi ibisane nama-audit.
Yiko sikhuluma ngakho.
Audit kabani?
Yiko phela ogatsheni babaleka labaphu. Akuyenzi vele.
Yiko gatshela kuyithi
labaphu wabona ecathini lana athi
amabhuku
dala.
Ama-discrepancies abe baningi. Then another game that played on yesterday, Gipo, trying also played out college draw in Scotland. Scotland, yeah.
Isivukile i-triangle.
Was it a thing of ukuthi Scotland kuyala or i-triangle sivukile?
Isivukile.
I-triangle sivukile ngo-Genesis.
Ngo-Genesis
But Scotland yasiphuma enqiniso.
Ngike ngabona
last 5
ayikawini.
Ayikawini.
Scotland guys ichiyeni iqala ihlangane.
but uyabona quality abalayo.
So khona kafuna ukwenza uScott ukuthi ufuna uku-offload ama-players ama-senior lapha na uScotland ehambe sibile ephume eScotland
Uwathengelana
and then
mdala
uScotland wayezama uku-assemble i-Galacticos i-team lena kwamele ibe-balance both on the field and then ibe yi-fan favorite ngenxa yokuthi abelama stars ungaba yi-fan favorite mdala attract ama-sponsors yi-language ye-business
lapho right
yika befuna ukwenza so I think that's why even wayehamba kubo-TP Mazembe ngale ukuthi ebona ukuthi TP Mazembe la mdala yake yachisa ukuthi ayidope o-Rainford Kalaba laba ngesikhathi zangikhona yayithatha ama-stars
wodwa
so yiko ababekwenzela but kugcina sokubalance one ndawo kuphela ukuthi ithola imileage ngakulabo billiards labo bantwana bari
abaperform
yabona
that's true
but uLokhuzeni still on that game I think uGenesis Mangobe is proving ukuthi is a good coach.
He's a good coach.
Apart la le Tanzania
ngale maybe uthola kube lama factors amaningi but yena
natural la uyabona but
ngani lebhola ulala
ndale Tanzania umnikazi weteam wakhuluma wathi angi-attend i-training session kaMjida ade ngaboni lutho
uyahlala ngesikhathi
avela
1 week or 2 weeks
2 weeks I think was it
probably borena umuntu yokumjudge nge 2 weeks
ukuthi iproblem ukuthi lezi ezile mali
abalemali bahlupa
bafuna i-instant impact
plus yena i-training yabe yazela ngayo yabona maybe mina isi-strategy sami so cause
understand ngiyamsori ngiyamjudge for training session a week or 2 esafuna ukubona
plus eyiforeigner uyabona
la sazama ukuzwisisa le Tanzania lidlala
yabona manje
language barrier
plus uyiplayer ichothi wona shooter akwazi
ukuthi uthini
yabo
yebo kunzima yebo ukuthi
esingale yatwa mugomba
khangela ku triangle
ithethe phansi singela hope
phela ku triangle even first game vele umjidalana wafika wabhula abantu then wazongane yadakadaka phakathi afinke esahlanganisa karese
then last game ka match day 18 team enkulu kobulawa izolo sonke bese eBF after ukuhamba ka Kelvin Kayundu sike sabamba lapha uKayundu bamxochile utrial uAgent Sangu ibaba sele be technical but very before igame iqalisa ama support amanye bekhala ukuthi no maduda into eyi1 le itemplate liyafanana Kayundu because bebesebenza bonke wabe engaxochanga bonke so i-Highlanders losing to Imoz bevela lose I think we see the 2 games that ingawin
ile draw le
lose the 2 games bengawin because bevela ku lose babuye bathatha 3 points eBF bawine 1-0 igame sibone njalo soke bese BF
mdala mina benhlezi for the first time mdala benhlezi VIP eBF so ilokho zenisa senhlezi kulo belicela amajida eMoz vele first thing ngithe I think kubo 15 minutes ngiwabuzela amajida ukuthi guys iMoz yiyo vele igame yabo le yini amajida athi no try namuhla vele bathi pass games ayi game yankona ngani sebedini abafana cause into kade ngiyibona lami iHighlanders mdala was all over iMoz until second half some minutes ku second half vele selisiyajoin igame laphana sengizibuza ukuthi kade so vele yindlela i-team le wina ngayo wonke umuntu wesithi uchawona kuzuma 75
yathi ngitshelile lapha ukuthi mina I think ulo Thomba nomntasa lapha utshengisa experience yakhe uyabona eBF ongawe lamawala iyayilindi ngathula wesihlohla ngale ingahlithuli silibherile but nali ngamanage ukuthi kube yi0-0
ayihlohla ngalo uthi
ihlohla so emsindeni mdala yabona so nali ngamanage ukuthi lambe half time 0-0 igame yankona likely to win it lina ayobo because second half ama supporter abe sejaha any mistakes sekhala lina yine selinto because kulesikhathi yabathi sidominator khona usubona iMoz yapasana especially ngapha eside
right wing wabo lo
left ngale uMatina
kulo right wing ngapha andithi sibehlohla nga
uMatina
akabacheli ukuthi hayi yabuye
Yabona maybe kuhambe 20 minutes so yeah kwaze wagcina sebekhipha umfana lo uTalent kanti bafaka futhi ubani uBig la wangena kusemu ndoda vele lokho kunjani abantu lokho bebuya ndo
uBig baqala ukukhala la kade lezi khona waqala ukukhala ngaye joke uBig uBig uthe anande ebechaye womamula bala uthe kaya zekhipha ibhipi zathi zaqalisa ukumemeza ukuthi iBig kusenza le ground
so yazi khona raise another valid point Highlanders is the issue yama players ayehlulekayo or i-technical ekwanisa Tobi ibona njani
mina kimi Highlanders I think short experience eningi
uma
players akula seniority uyabona is a big team lana mthatha abafana abancane bebodi abacrammed uyabona because imagine babahlohla nge85 minutes uyabona of which nxa ulama seniors lapha selikwazi ukuthi bhala let's salvage it draw machenzi let's play safe uyabona because imozila phela ibisibona ukuthi la ngcono siphambe le draw thina uyabona because la usubona ama tactics abo bese belala phansi belichaye kulesi sikhathi nxa bebona ukuthi akuyenzi i-restart uyabona so my Highlanders into kulekhi leadership kuma players wonke ona la
lina wena maybe uhambe ku Chiefs ubuyi free agent madoda kubulawa kunama players amaningi machisa khalesi Chiefs
uqedile uPutas la ukhulumile ukuthi ibhola la kaThesi selibulayo ukuthi ama agent uyabona
because nangu iyalinda with quality players kaneti ngobulawayo amanye mahambe kuyi Arnelli
uya amathima athatha
abuya athatha amathima
exactly uyabona
iyalinda isale quality le because akula madoda truly speaking uyabubona ukuthi team le aku represent ubukhulu be team
ikade mfowethu ukuthi for I caliber ye Highlanders and kule nxa uli player vele mdala kule into eziningi omele zikhangele nxa uthwa before uthwa uzodlalela ibhoso I usually see ukuthi balelithi ritual nxa ukuthi ritual so ngani maybe mkhuluma ngemeet but ama rituals nje ngama practice okwenziwayo mdala mina ngifenile Pirates in South Africa iplayer nxa lisayinwa mdala ukuze liyofika ekuqaliseni ungene eground lengani liya initiate yabona indungahle ukuvaya through okungama systems konofana you don't qualify vele
so ngezindlela ukuthi Highlanders isisayina abantu abangayaziyo le culture bengafundiswa le culture
abafundiswa yabona ngani ya infiltrate washo
ukuthi what does it mean to be a Highlanders a player
asisela bonsuku zonke
because uyona kuyafana like saying ukuthi ku Pirates yakwanisa uba le 1 week lifunda about Pirates about everything
so nje kuyilinda kuyenzakala into lokho
amina mbone mdala lapha mbonani very boys zilando kuyazidlalela
and then into khana ngayo kanye ukuthi we've got people like Machisa he knows sedlale kubo eHighland uyazi wadlala Capes wadlala uyakwazi ukuthi eHighland the team makers ungathola abafana abanjalo abakwaziyo iculture ubathathe is a senior player now
antala there's a difference between obakwazi culture from thina lapha nxa sikhuluma lo obakwazi culture nxa beku imparter from phakathi lapha
this is what I'm saying he knows udlalela abantu banazo PP uyawazi ngabafana uyabe bakwazi ama players
honest uyabona kuyafana kwathi kuHighland ushoti leader even a ground you can see la even mawubukela uthi but
oPeter bebengcono
yabona into emfuku ithi ukuthi oPeter wawubona la uthi Highland even struggle but ezongwa kule uPeter Sonji uyabona abantu abanjalo Ariel uyabona labo lokhu zenini
you could tell
but ukuthi e ground kulabantu abanje so kulento nje ezingaqinisa njani isiyenzakile uyabona but kaThesi hope uyabunge
mathi mdala elinda asebe so you home ground emathima awe
khona vele mina think they made a mistake ukuba chiya behamba abantu ngalaba
lazo boys indaba zokudlalela vele indaba zokudlalela ibeach asekho do you know ukuthi angazi ukuthi i-secret but I'm sure ngabakwazi wena mdala ukuthi Gareth kule boys ezijoin ama team like umuntu uyabuya ebe last minute signing for example since sikhuluma ngeHighlanders ebe last minute signing eHighlanders lapha ngenxa ukuthi seswele enye team athi ngamthatha anti but we know ukuthi he is a quality player nxa ebuya laphana mdala kadlaleli ukuthi ngidlalela ukuthi ngisayine uyayilanders uthi hayi ngifuna ukuthi in the next 6 months usiyavuleka the next window period sengihamba yabona so umuntu enalo vele akala inhliziyo sekhaya
yiyo phela ngitsho ukuthi okunye futhi phezulu yibo kumele benjani belungisisa into zona le because elanders vela kumele ngobuye umuntu ole last option hayi akuyenzi man
akusayini iplayer linikwe 5 years contract
akumelanga
kuyala nxa uphuma ukuthenga iclub ithole imali but yakwazi ukuthi unge club
sikuphela.
So on that note, let's look at the log table, the Premier Soccer League log table, the Castle Lager Premier Soccer League log table. And iCastle one day sebenganyenye but kulo podcast they posted something, but anyway it's the Castle Lager Premier Soccer League. Moz went back on top. 1 point over Isimba Bora. Moz is now sitting on 37 points. Isimba Bora is on 36. Followed by Tel1 on 29. Then fourth we've got Scotland on 28. Then Pasi is Hamba Elizia. Ikwekwe akuyala lokhu imile ku8. Number 18 Dynamos. This is sad.
But lizwile ukuthi magwiza uthi ufuna ungezelela ama team.
But alana mana siqedile ukuthe siba alana angeke iphonge kuyenzakala nje. So iDynamos is now on 15 points, 17th. Then iyada 17 points, 16. The triangle le 17 points, 15 lawo iwarelegate from 15 to 18. Then ojokunya ngokanye eTopi uyabona ukuthi itriangle is on 17, iIslander is on number 9 le 23 points. So 2 games bengayithi go itriangle zit yeah. So iIslander vele uposition enzima kuba kakhulu and khathesa kusaxolelwana is second leg. Ama team wonke from wacheka iCapes ukuthi sikhuluma is now on 20 is number 11. 3 points different and ukhali iIslander bichange ani Capes khathesa chene 3 points.
I remember sikhuluma ngeCapes la
daza 20 nzima. So iIslander ku trick. Then I'll also look at match day 19 fixtures. Sizwe letha ama predictions ezamenjani. So match day 19 fixtures asekhona Saturday 5 July. Greenfield is taking on Ngezi Greenfield Arena. Ubona njani kanye jile?
Greenfield yahlupha ukuchaya manje Greenfield Arena.
I think it's a straight draw.
Yahlupha. And also Ngezi la ikuform uchirinda ngazi ukuthi ukhumbuleni. So but mina it draw but when drawing ngibona ngelama goals. I think kuza phendulwana.
So uthi ngoba yi1-1 1-1 or 2-2.
2-2 hayi Zimbabwe asihlole kangako.
On
a regular.
Yes, vele una 5-2 ungakhohlwa.
Balani lapha sikayela ukuthi ku5 zona lezi dlala.
Quickly itelela. Ngesaturday also 5 July 2025 sezela la ongela data ongabukela mhla ngo2026 uthi bekwathi 2025 imozi ile Bikita enkoni ukuthi imozi sirigeni iform yakho straight win lamuni ake second lokuzeni opinion yakho
but enotoni ukuthi asingeke sizama ukuyethisela ukuthi Bikita la ngani since ichayi chicken
ivela kuyini Bikita yambiri la
yazi win iIslanders ibooster njani because maluchwane ama stadiums adlala kulabantu abangakazi ali winile stadium sigcwele so ibooster ku so ngamangali lokuze imozi chayi Bikita 4 ngoba imora lababelayo is too much. Then eluveve we've got the chicken taking on Iyada. Chicken in vela ku lose Iyada vela ku win.
It's a draw.
It's a draw.
0-0
it's a draw 0-0 nami I'm seeing it draw.
Le imanika Diamonds le FC Platinum esakuva.
Another one.
It's a tough one, eh?
Mina ngani 2-1 to Platinum.
Lami Platinum man.
Platinum akhoja ama draw specialist is the only team engadliwa.
Ya draw kakhulu.
Yaphula ama draw specialist.
So I Platinum
it draw.
Nge-issue ka BP izadlalwa yini? Because psychologically kebe kubulele ama teammates akhe.
ngingazi ukuthi maybe bazabanika i-grace period or something, maybe yakwanisa ukubekwa earlier before i-kick
because
off
ama-details
seqalisile ukuma, because lamhla I think bale week yabo eka-BB
Alright.
i-ceremony yangikhona.
But mina I still feel ukuthi psychologically
ebengaso-captain wakwe
Ubengukaptain.
so bazamisha
so igame le ingadlalwa
but ngeke ube sure manje
it won't be fair. Kanti ube ngu-club captain or because most of the times abhendi begqoka ngombobo.
Yena yambhendi bengayigqoki vele.
Alright, but
But
engu-captain.
engukaptain.
I see.
Most
But
of the
athi yabona
time
ukuthi
vele.
into le I think it is affecta vele.
Hayi rough.
I think
Ayikhona ukuthi
abayinike
nje.
ilokhuzeni iplatinum igame le bengadlali.
yeah
Maybe
Bebanike
midweek
time
next
off or
week.
midweek next week, you understand? I think i-PSL ingayenza njalo
Akho
bahloniphile
kakhulu.
because akukho sharp
Kakhulu nje. Imagine umuntu adelile Saturday next day.
is gone, you understand? And udlalile udlalile last game enade
but mina I still give iplatinum i-age
even ningadlala
ingadlalwa 2-1 bese platinum
but right. Ama-spirits akhe.
then wadzana isimba bora yabile ZPC Kariba
Straight.
straight for
I think
Simba.
le isimba le yayithatha uJoel Uphahla is doing an amazing job that side. Then ezifileyo Dynamos is taking on i-Renters ngeke ngithi but ifile Dynamos
Bazayitshaya iDynamos i-Rentals.
Mina bathi ngiyayiphi Dynamos la.
i-Rentals i-Rentals madoda
Mina ngiyayipha straight.
Dynamos athi i-Renters mdala phela wakhuluma ukuthi futhi ayibrace
Lapha ngiyayipha.
uminister
Starboy.
uminister uthe futhi ayibrace
Mina lapha ngiyayipha mina straight.
uMP sensithi uminister uMP uthe futhi ayibrace
Mina le ngiyayipha straight.
yena i-Dynamos
Ayayinika la.
but I think I mean
amboni
i-Rentals
i-Dynamos idle i-Renters
Yebo, mina lapha ngiyayinika straight.
hayi
asazi ukuthi kabe kuvukeni but i-Rentals wena sesikhayela yona i-Rentals even ungakhayela last season i-Rentals yiyo kade like nxa singakhipha wonke ama-team sithiya ama-team eHarare kulokhu i-Rentals beku-number 1
Exactly. That's
it was
true.
the best team from
Mina uyazi why ngifuna ukuyinika kona. I-Dynamos isebunzimeni.
yikho phela okuzayitshayisa
Isebunzimeni and they really need these 3 points this week.
but abatshengiseli ukuthi badinga 3 points
Bavela
That's the
ku-0-0
problem.
eKarib.
Eh,
Uyabona into engitsho. Bavela ku-0-0 eKarib. Ngaphi
Eh,
window liyavulwa mntana.
iwindi level
Window liyavulwa.
ikhona
But I
yini
don't think-
yokusayini manje
Lapho ucoach lo yabona ucoach lo
kavunyelwe athi bakaklima lila
abakakhiyi futhi.
abakaklima
Hayi, mntana.
abakaklima lila
abona kuyipeji izolo kade ucela
abakaklima and bengera uklima liyana iFIFA yababhana to sign players you understand so very good trick that's the last
zadlulile vele anyway for they 48 tournament days lezana zadlula
Sesadlula.
so ngathola ukuthi ngce vele they are banned for signing ama players so good trick uDynamo
So uyarelekile.
so that's the last game match day 19 Saturday then Sunday the 6th of July 2025 we have got the Triangle taking on Telo1 Ekipo.
I think it draw.
It's another tough encounter.
Tough one. But la abayidrawing abayidrawela ama-goals
Exactly.
because inavaya bayabuya la
uthi washise nga-increase i-goal tally yakhe to lokhu eme ku-10 phela sehlala isikhathi eside
Lo very mukuthina.
lo very much sebeme kakhulu ku-10
Hayi, bahlehle last week.
Bahlele last week
to move to 10
10. This week you go
lonavaya phela lwahlohla ngisanda kubuza ukuthi onavaya
offer.
sithi kahle yabona update
then ama-Scottish ale kepe Bore Rufaro this would be an interesting I think this is the game of the week
Yeah.
sokungama-return phela
Eh,
vele
ama-return.
ama-return yikho sikhuluma phela ukuthi kade
Isikhala
sesizigala awusela
kati.
ukuthi
If you drop points ususela.
Eh.
Kade sisusala kati sibambelele so ono wangafuni
Yeah.
yachiye.
i-Caps uthi ngayala futhi
Hayi ngayala la. La kuyahanjwa la.
Le-
Anje la
i-Caps
kuyahanjwa.
ivukile
but yeah i-Caps I think ikathesi at this point and I think indlela sebedlala ngayo they'd rather draw than ukuthi bedliwe
lama mboni
Exactly. That's what I think ukuthi
Wensiza
ilose,
ubuhlungu, hayi,
it's not
wensiza
an
ubuhlungu.
option.
ubhakale ebench unare laphana phela
then ezokugcina ngesande ezifileyo ikhwekhwe le-Highland ezifile lezi
Islanders singahle Ikwekwe, but I know izawina Islanders.
But it's a possibility again.
Mdala,
Ngakutshele
ukuthi singahleka idliwe, but nje
yaphela draw.
kade mbukele nje komemba lawana nje besehle ukuhlohla Ikwekwe home away phela, Ikwekwe idlalele eBhatha.
Ukhangele besazi Ingezi yaqinisa ihlohla nzima ukhwekwe especially lokhu zenini yabo ya.
So Islanders niko try athi kule room othi ngani bafuna uDijong.
uDijong ngani ufuna
uDijong nguye yini wawina ichibuku
nguye.
Akaphendula
Alokana ulihlanya manje ulikho kuhlanya but kuya ibhora kuyalazi.
Lokho kuthiwa unja kuhlanya anila wayo kohamba eBotswana uJwanela ko 2 minutes bakuhambile.
Alokana odivedo kwa akuyahlanya dobi lokho. Wasuka kwayilenda kwamba uplatinum.
Wafika ungahlali ngale kwathi lokasuka lokho.
But Islanders yayazi manje. Bengadinga ucoach olikho songa because ke sakhuluma ku puzzle no special base sikhuluma nama support. Ama-support athi Islanders besifuna ikhiwa psychological abafana bafuna iveti.
But kulo muntu wathi ikhiwa lingabuya lifike lithi ngifuna ama players lawa azathengwa yini. For example yena lo Dion ngantu wacela uChirinda wanikwa
Abamphanga.
Yabona so engaze buye umlungu but without i-type yama players akayifuna I think
so nje Islanders vele beyanze bebisi vino Jose Mourinho kuyabela kuyila.
Akulenye ihle yathi lapha vele ivino uPepu.
Apepe ngantshone noyikhanda
ayitsho vele lapha nje sihlohlile athi hayi la ivino uPepu ya.
It has been another interesting, very insightful. Thank you to Uchomwe Wine.
So there's a Lokozen women's Premier Soccer League.
This is ikhohlwa sesivala
nje. Kumele ukukhulunywe ukuthi ama updates esoccer women's are slow.
We've been saying I remember lapha sithi we've tasked ubuhle
ngumuntu
ubuhle yakhayina imphosa le but ubuhle ngwele women's football
no zalijikela I think mina ama official accounts abo kwakhuluma ukuthi ba
very slow
yenzakala Saturday beyiposte ngeTuesday
understand into benzala Saturday only find out about it Wednesday another week ususiya kwenye meet understand it does not make sense so maybe improve nje ama team wonke women side
into demfuna ukuyitsho ukuthi angazi ukuthi akula even one umuntu
sakhala dobi sathi ama media houses maningi ama teams afuna prioritize i-team bele media even yabafazi even divisional kaya Eastern region what's happening get up this late
kulabantu abalezimali khona
there's imali khona
league ya sponsor sponsors funi mileage
you understand uthi prioritize thina sikhona and umsebenzi asila besinika umsebenzi bethi hayi
and asduri futhi
yes yes to cover ama matches so you said you've got
some results so this is match day 12 weekend ka 28 to 29 June 2025 Black Mambas idliwe yaRare City 7-0 Shapungu Queens ngapha mdala ngapha vele ngapha ngama scorers
ngabona 13-14
but this time I think 7-0 was the highest Shapungu Queens ichaye Faith Drive Academy 2-0 Maningi YSA idliwe Black Rhinos 5-0 Red Buffalo Soccer Academy idliwe iShashamgweru 2-1 and then Correctional Queens ichaye Conduit Soccer Academy 4-0 Impopo Sports Academy ichaye Ikwekwe United ichaye Ikwekwe United Ikwekwe zikhala everywhere 3-0 and then Islanders Royals for the first time ngichaye sana le result le Islanders Royals iwinile so yeah bachaye Cranbourne Royals 3-0 and then FC Platinum Royals badliwe Rentals Queens 2-0 Rentals Queens guys yabhansa so ilog labo linje Shapungu Queens iphezulu nge 2 points
of Rentals
33 points and then Rentals 31 then landed Correctional Queens Platinum Royals number 5, obviously ngiyiqambile because it's one of my highlights teams. Highlanders Royals is number 10. And then iphansi sile Red Buffalo Sports Academy, Black Mambas Queens. Black Mambas Queens yake yahlupha as far as women.
Imposa number 1.
Imposa it's number 12. Ilama Gaming Hands as well.
Because league yabo yakhumbula but last time si check
last week Wednesday kumele bedlala basadlala.
but yeah, they travel to I think maybe Maswingo they traveled.
So it's number 12 with 11 points, 9 games played. Amanye sedlale 12.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want league but I could Father Eastern. I still believe it is 14, is 7. Ukuthi bayenzani?
Ama walkover man.
Ale kuplay nje.
Ama walkover.
So guys, nxa ubukele wafika la I think sesekuqineni. Please remember to like, subscribe, share and engage us on the comment section. Ukuthi uchomlo sibeloke simbiza from ewangi senze njani?
Bazasitshela.
Mina ngiyakona offline. Ngitshela ukuthi anduri.
But thank you guys for it has been another insightful episode today. I think it was
best then.
It's nice.
It's
nice. Very ngaphandle kwezinto nje the set notes
but
otherwise very insightful. Siyabonga, please siyabona ama subscribers lokho esingani siyakhula. Please continue to subscribe and engaging us on the comment section. Siyabonga kakhulu. It has been another insightful episode of Pass and Move Special, your number 1 soccer podcast in the land. Ciao.